I get so caught up in the middle.
Good morning guys, welcome to our channel. I am Jonathan Bruce and today I will make a video tutorial on how to connect your Evolution from PLDT to analog TV. I look for possible connectors to make this one work on analog. So first I buy this one from Shopee, but it doesn't work. So I look for another connectors. So until found this one, mini HDMI to AV. So make sure that this one for output and this HDMI is for input, so that it will work properly. So first, you need this one, this power cord. This is for the inverter side. So for the Evolution side, you need this one. It's the HDMI cord, and then the power cord. This is the same as the cell phone charger. So what we're going to do is to connect the cable to this inverter. So you just simply look for the color. This one is for yellow. The yellow one is for video, and then the white is for the left audio. So you will just put the white, and the red one is for the right audio. So now on the TV side, make sure you connect it to the EBN. So we will connect the yellow for the video, and then the two is for the audio. Next, so we just connect this one. It's HDMI. Okay, and then connect the Evolution here. So after the connection, this is the Evolution, HDMI cable, the inverter. So the inverter must be, or the HDMI must be input, and this one is for output because it will go to the TV, and then the AV cord must be on the input for TV side. So it's all set. So we just need to power. This one is for the Evolution. So the power is here at the back. Okay. And then so we'll just simply put there. So the lights indicates that the unit is on. This one to have this on power. So that's it. If you can see, you can select the video. It's either PAL or NTEC. So this is now the setup. TV on. So we'll just on using the remote. Okay, that one. So you see it's already working. So we will try to disconnect working really. So when I disconnect, no input. So when I put the HDMI, it will work now. So hope guys I help you on how to connect your Evolution to your analog TV. So now I can use my Evolution. So guys, that's all for now. Hope it will help you. So it is working now guys. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe, like, and share this video to help others. And don't forget to click the bell button for you to be updated on our next video. Thank you and goodbye.
eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down.